Hello guys, I'm sorry I didn't make a video on the 17th. I know it's been a couple days past that, but got mixed up, kind of got lost. But we are finally playing Monkiverse. So we're gonna check out the game. Yes, I have played this game before, but I played this game in 2024 pretty much. No, I played this the first month. I have this game since I think I had this game since a couple days. The game came out a couple days after it came out. I believe I got the game, and then I have not. I played it once in 2025, so I don't remember anything. So I remember that, and that. Train bomb is new. Don't know about the levels. Yeah, all I played up to 0, but I don't remember that much. All I do remember is some mod minigame. Oh wait, that's a minigame menu. Wait, that's cool. They got some mod menus and they got some for the minigames. I really want a mod menu, so I'm gonna save up for this, and hopefully I can get something here my pretty much I haven't finished my avatar, but if Elliot ever sees this, I would really love if he added me to the game, because I've seen his videos before. I'm pretty sure I'm subscribed. I'm not sure. But, so we're gonna play the game. And as you know, we're gonna play that train bomb game. But it's gonna be a public server, so if this video gets enough likes or not, the next game mode we're playing is proper. I think that would be fun. But let's go to this game mode I never played before, other than those three and that one. But I played them at the start of 2020. The only time I played this game 2025 is probably the start of the year and now. But let's check out this new game I've never seen. Hopefully there's a bunch of whole maps that I can play. Big Scary. I kind of forgot about the game. I'll make more videos about that, but let's get the train bomb. Maybe there's a bomb on the train and it kills you.
What about we team up, bro? You wanna team up? You don't wanna team up? I'm sorry.
Players win. I think Buddy. I think that guy plays that guy probably plays every single day. By the way, use code noise. I'll only show mods when I get some. Make a video about that stuff. I'm not returning, but
people just random monkeys along it, and they just have a gun and blow a hole in the wall.
Oh, the body moves with your head, so there's a tiny car I can go hello, I'm just messing around.
We could do this the easy way
No.
or the hard way.
I have not played this game in a long time. Yeah, it's up.
With my symptoms of sorrow. Now, guys, I'm becoming my dad. No! This football team sucks!
Oh. Yay.
Jenny, go get me another drink.
Give me a drink.
Please wait for me.
This kid sucks. Why can't you be a better son?
Yes, wait for me like a good
Son,
boy,
get over
man.
here right now. Why can't you be a better
Yes,
son?
K-Man, you're so good. You're my friend now, okay, K-Man? Hug me. He sucks. You should kick him off the plane first, guys.
How
You should take him off the train first.
round?
Wait,
How
what's
does that
that?
explain that? How do you explain that?
Press
I won
X.
last
Press
round.
X. Press X. Press X. You have a mod menu, bro. Why you have a mod
I
menu?
don't have a mod menu.
You're
Yeah, I
actually-
have a mod menu, but this isn't a modded server.
I don't have a mod menu.
K-Man, I'm so... K-Man,
This
I'm
isn't
so
a modded
happy for
server,
you.
bro. I
You
can't
won,
use my
but
mods.
I do not like this
I wish
guy
I had a mod
named,
menu,
Hayden.
but I'm too broke
He's
to
really
afford one.
rude to all of us.
Okay, so I never played this mini game before. Please go easy on me.
He's really rude to us.
So what do? I'm new. Never played this game before. Played like every other game, but I never played this one. My first time.
No, you're rude to all of us. You try to kill me? You try to kill K-Man?
Yeah, I don't get what's going on. No! Oh man. Hey, who wants a drink? Hey, who wants a drink? I got free drinks here. Yeah. Who wants a free drink?
A racist.
I'm gonna cook up something. This is the ultimate drink. Who wants it? Took me 7 years to make.
Hard wins.
Oh man, this is the one I was voting for. Yeah.
I was asking what the hard way was. The hard way is we fight to the death. The easy way is where you guys just jump off the train.
I would never jump off a train because I'll piss anyone off.
I'm actually new to this.
Same here. It's my second game of playing.
I haven't played this game since so long, bro. You do not know how long I have not played this game.
I haven't played the game in that
everyone,
long.
bro.
I played like once. This is like my second time playing this game in this year. Okay, I got it. Come on, Kate. Come on. Get myself a drink. No, that's not a drink. I need a real drink. Kate, come on. No.
Wanted. Dead or alive.
Yeah, Mom.
1,000.
Come on.
1,000 bananas.
Come on.
It's way too much.
Come on. I'm rooting over here. Who wants to root with me?
50,000.
Drink.
That's who I want to get.
Come
I'll
on.
take that guy down. Bro, you look like K-Man, but you're not K-Man. You broke my bottle. He likes it. Hey, okay, man, what's up? Let's play Russian roulette.
Close on.
I know you. Guys, let's play bottle
No,
roulette.
that's him.
Guys, let's play water.
My drink. What
Whatever with
the-
the bottles. Or everything.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Spin in the
I'm
bottle.
rooting for you.
It's alright, I'll get another bottle. Ready?
Come on.
Ready?
If you die, I'd be very disappointed in you. I'm gonna lose $1,000 here.
Win. I need one more win. And I'm at 150.
Break everything! Break it! Break it quick! Quick, break it! Break everything!
Oh man, listen, I was voting for that.
I hate alcoholic. I
Yeah.
hate alcoholic.
Okay, I'm voting.
I hate
Okay,
all alcohols.
come on, come on, come on. If you die, I'll lose this $1,000. I didn't lose the last $1,000, but I'll lose $1,000 if this person dies.
Buddy,
I'm spectating.
black! Catch, black! Catch! Break all the alcohol. I don't know what it's called. Alcoholics? I don't know. Break all the alcohol. Bro, taste this, bro. This is so good, bro. This is so good.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
One right here. I love apple juice.
No.
No, apple juice. This is
Why
vinegar,
is
guys.
everyone
It's
picking
alright.
the hard
Look,
way?
this is water. Look, this is water.
You failed me.
That's not water. That's alcohol.
I was rooting on you. Made me lost
I guess
1,000 bananas.
You think you're the king? Nah. Guys, cheers.
I need to stop. I need to stop
Who wants to
rooting
do
on
a cheers with
people.
me? Who wants to cheers? Here, you want to cheers with me? Cheers. Cheers. This is casually. Yo, cheers. Who wants to cheers? I don't drink alcohol. That's orange. That's orange juice.
Wait.
Orange juice. Yeah. Oh, blood right there. That's cheers. The best days of my life.
Okay, this time I'm gonna survive for more than 1 minute.
This is Dead Rose. Dead Rose. Hey, you come from the front? Where you coming from the front, bro?
Hey. I'm trying to survive more than 2 minutes. Is he die?
Buddy jumped off. He picked the easy way. That's the good way. Yo, easy way or hard way? Yo, easy way or hard way? Easy way, hard way. Hard way it is.
You killed each other.
You mean blue dude?
He won.
Blue dude.
That's my name.
Hi, blue dude. I want to kill everyone.
Okay, so I'm going to root. Papa, I'm rooting for you to win. And me. I'm rooting for you and me to win.
My head.
If I win, I'm gonna be proud of myself. If you win, I'm gonna be proud of you. Hopefully I don't die in the first 10 minutes.
Good luck, camera.
Trick shot.
I love breaking bottles. I love breaking bottles. Maybe.
Guys, we're in Dead Rose.
Dead
Who
Rose?
picked the hard way? Nobody picked the hard way. We don't need to do the hard way. If you're at the boxes, hey. We don't need to do the.
Okay. I'm rooting on you, Papa. Come on.
Hey, it's me.
Blue. Nah, I'm gonna get a drink.
Where'd you go?
I need to survive more than 2 rounds.
Trick shot.
I'm gonna hit the light with this. Oh, I did it. No, I had to hit the light bulb. But wait, what happens if you hold something and you just don't break it? And the match starts. Wait, I'm gonna have some drinks when the match starts. Woo woo! God, I need a drink. Okay, I got 2 drinks. Who won? Yes! I was rooting for you since I died. I'm gonna bring a drink with me if it allows me to. See if it's gonna allow me to bring a drink. Is it going to start? If I had 7 minutes, I wouldn't be looking at that. I would. Dang it, doesn't. Hey, I'm peaceful. I'm peaceful. I'm peaceful. I'm peaceful.
Good.
I'm peaceful.
Good.
And this guy's
Driving this train,
I
bro.
just want to be like up here.
We can eat, bro.
Driver.
I give everybody 2 choices. Easy way or hard way. The easy way is where you just jump off the train.
Ow!
Hard way, we fight to the death, and whoever wins, wins.
What's good?
Get down.
Here goes.
I'm asking everybody this question. Easy way or hard way? Hard way. Hard way? That means fight. You have to fight. Easy way means you just jump off the train. Well, I'm not fighting today. I'm quitting.
No! At least I didn't die first.
I just joined in.
No! I hate my life.
Get me a beer!
Oh my god, who is that? Hey, it's me! Blue dude!
Oh, that hurt.
I'm
Hey,
stuck.
Blue Dude.
Bro, why'd you pick the hard way, bro?
I'm
Why'd you pick the hard way?
I'm gonna stun you with
I
my
don't
magical
know.
wand. I
Blue
stunned
Dude.
Blue Dude.
Blue
for
Dude's a
30
hillbilly.
seconds, guys.
Blue dude's a hillbilly. Oh my god.
Yeah, Blue Dude.
Blue dude's a hillbilly. I'm gonna be posting that. Blue dude's a hillbilly. Hold on, let me take a picture. Hillbilly. Blue dude, hillbilly. Let me take a picture. I gotta post this. Hey, it's me. Hillbilly, blue dude. Yo, wait, post.
Can I
post,
bring a
post,
bottle
post.
with me?
No, you can't. I tried.
Yeah, the drink bartender.
Got it.
Alright, sure, I'm trying.
I got it.
Can't. Guys, it's Dead Rules. Dead Rules again. Dead Rules. Dead Rules, guys. It's Dead Rules.
Come on, Blue.
No, no one's coming.
No!
Oh, this kid is. Oh, you're ugly. Dead Rose. I don't take it back though.
Who won?
I don't take it back though.
The hillbilly. How did the
Oh,
hillbilly win? I killed
He's
him.
so ugly. He's eating the bottle.
I killed you
He's
with my
eating the-
2. I killed you with my 2
Hey,
berries.
Blue Dude
I'm
won.
gonna stun you. I'm gonna stun you, Billy.
Want to hear my catchphrase? Oh, never mind. I forgot.
How did you survive, you little rat?
Bro, I've guessed milestone
I'm
4.
angry, so now I'm gonna rage.
I've guessed milestone 4. Am I a
bottles around the
slut?
place like an angry
Probably.
person. With the glass alcohol bottles.
I'm on the first one. I was using it at the start, and I was questioning if I want a main guest or not. And then I got like 90 levels.
Guys, we're playing Dead Rules.
Hey. Hands up.
Wait for me.
I'm Royal.
Dang it, bro. 360.
I'm Snail.
Stop it.
I'm Snail.
Not again. I keep dying by the same person. Hey, you. Hey, you.
That's
You,
mine.
you,
That's
you
mine.
smell like.
Oh,
Boy, I'm smell like. Why are you bullying me?
That was loud.
You smell like.
You smell like voodoo.
Aww. That was my line. I was gonna say that in like 5
Man,
years. Like 5 years.
I don't have a single win.
Ow. My forehead. Guys, I can hit the force. I missed again.
Yeah, people love
You can use the force to breaking.
Broke all of them.
You can see him teleporting, bro.
0
I didn't even know I
wins.
could do that.
I'm at the bottom.
He's like,
It's really satisfying. Boom, boom.
Guys, want to see me do this guy's teleporting, bro.
Want to see me do a bottle flip?
Guys, a bottle
Bottle flip.
He might just have really bad lag.
Yeah, but like he's over here
Bottle
teleporting. I couldn't even see him. For like 10 minutes straight, he was over here flying, trying to fly me off the train. And I couldn't even see him.
Really
Okay,
bad
no
lag
worries.
in this game.
Maybe he has this. Like he was invisible for the whole time, but like.
Stop going after me!
Hi.
Buddy.
No, please!
Did I just? It's me.
Okay. I have to win a match.
Guys, make him out of lemonade, guys. I'm gonna make him lemonade. TV guy. Lemonade instead of. He killed me on purpose. My best friend. Killed me. I'm gonna take my rage out on you with a bottle.
Take my rage out on anyone.
Guys, I'm a cat, guys. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a friend. I'm a cat. I'm a kitty.
You are not a cat. You're a monkey.
I'm a cat, bro. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. I'm a cat. Look, I'm a cat. I'm a cat.
I'm a monkey who loves drinking bottles.
You're an African black monkey.
What?
Nothing.
Don't say that to me. That's racist to my country. I'm just joking.
That just sounded funny.
My own best friend.
I'm gonna try to snipe someone.
Sniped. Sniped.
But you
Sniped.
don't have it.
Sniped. You know, I'm good. Vote someone who's good.
I can't move. I'm restraining myself from punching someone. There's a camera.
How is he just standing like that?
That was so unfair. Put my name in. She wasn't flying.
Yeah, this stop that person in the air flying, not even on the train.
One more. Connected. Shark.
I guess it's impossible to win when that person keeps on doing that.
Shark killed me. I need
more.
They pushed me. More. This is so easy, bro. You're
Hey, bartender, give me more drinks. Bartender. Hey, bartender, I want some more drinks, bartender.
I got you, man.
Somebody serve me another drink.
I'm mute.
Another drink.
I'm gonna be at the end of the train. Oh, and that guy's gonna kill me. Great.
Buddy, I'm not attacking you. Buddy, I'm not attacking you.
Yes.
Oh my god. Please, don't. Three people. Ow. Don't attack me. I'm not attacking Freak you. Buddy. See you bomb in my Please. I have a fit.
I was second to last. I could have got my first win. A 0 is never gonna be a 1.
Everyone never told you what happened to your father.
Somebody give me a nice cup of juice.
Oh, I got you, man. I got you, man. I got you. I got you. Who
I
wants
need my
a
cup of
juice?
juice.
Who wants a
I
juice?
just need
I
one
got
cup.
you, bro. Shabush?
Cup.
Here, there's a
Where's
juice.
my cup? Right here, cup.
Babush.
Shabush.
Babush. What kind of
Wait,
stuff?
guys. Babush.
I'm so bad at throwing.
Babush.
No, my other hand's got I did it. I'm gonna be next to. You know what? I'm tired of this. I'm going to end my life.
Bro, I'm not here to fight.
Beauty scream.
We have to fight.
No, we don't. not like it's important. Not part of the game.
Way.
Kabushk, vodka. Bro! Kadushk, booze.
If I don't get a win, I'm done.
Kadushk.
Dang it. Shabush?
Corona. Beer, I guess. I don't know.
Dr. Pepper.
Can I stop like slamming on the door, man? Damn.
No, this is better. Shabush, babush, Dr. Pepper.
Really
Babush.
one.
No, Deuce. Deuce. I hate this. But Deuce. Skadoosh. I hate
Hey,
this.
it's me.
Skadoosh. Ow. But Deuce. Ow.
You got me good for now.
Babushk.
Abushka. Babushk. Coca-Cola. I'm red, I'm green. Joe, I caught it, look. Babushk. Vodka. Look, wait. Mr. Cusco.
I'm getting dizzy.
Wait, you can only catch it with like a bottle. A specific bottle.
I'm extending.
I killed myself. I killed myself. But you let me win for me. No, ready? Bro, I'm literally that's crazy I killed. Sexy culo.
Oh my gosh, if I don't win this round, I think I'm gonna crash out, man, if I don't win.
Bro, I feel like everybody's tried that. Babush. Pepsi Cola. Babush.
What? I don't understand.
Babush. I feel like double babush.
I just want to win. I just want
No,
one win.
you're trapping me.
Is that enough to? Is that too much to ask for?
Babush.
Wait, hold on to it. Wait, don't hit it. Hold on to it.
Can I have a win? Is that enough? Can I? I have 0 wins. I really appreciate it.
I appreciate it. You can't be talking.
Trick shot.
You kidding me? Not. No. Oh my god, am I gonna get hurt? What? I'm not trying to push you. Oh, okay. I feel like everybody's trying to push me off, and I don't want that to happen. Alright, no, you're an enemy.
I hate you. But why the hell am I so laggy? Ooh. This is kind of fun. Ooh. Oh my god.
Yo, give me some apple juice.
Bro, my game's lagging. Sometimes when I jump, it's fast. Sometimes when I jump, I'm like in slow motion.
I'm lagging.
Let the slow motion jump better.
That's the guy I'm teaming. I'm not the guy.
I am shredded, bro. I'm shreddier than the shreddiest guy on the earth. Yes, my game's in slow mo.
Babush. Hoppa.
Babush.
That's cool.
Fantash.
Hey, vamos. Break. Vamos. Bira. Binka beer. Bosch.
I died!
Beer.
Who pushed me? I literally never win. Somebody punched me and I don't like that.
That's
I don't like that, Mr. Galaxy.
I need a big drink.
Mr. Galaxy.
Be quiet,
Yeah,
be quiet
Mr.
before I
Galaxy.
kill you
Push me
right
off.
now.
Did you push me off?
Ooh,
Like you did.
ooh.
I will be in
Ooh.
jail.
Push me off. Somebody push me and I was really.
I've literally never won.
Oh my gosh,
I'm
let's go. Dang it! You guys got in the way of my bottle. I'm trying to eat it and catch it. Eat it too far. You guys got in my way of my bottle.
It's just a tad bit of mixing.
So when is the game gonna start?
Now.
5 seconds.
Of course I'm always.
I don't think you're ready for this, Jelly. I don't think you're ready for this.
Oh god. Now that's just embarrassing.
Get targeted first. Why did I get targeted first?
I was trying to go to the front of the train and I jumped off.
Yo.
But everybody's targeting me.
Probably because you're the easiest. Bro, I hit a light. I will never be racist to a galaxy monkey. Oh, come on. The game's like 2 times slower. How can I still not catch a bottle? Okay, it's back to normal
Hey,
speed.
whiskey. Vivi.
I do not know how I died.
Bro, how? These are cheaters.
Hey, peanut butter, you copied my
Yeah, I know. Monkey's glitching out on us.
Can I have that? Thanks.
Alright, son. What are you gonna be thinking about doing tonight?
I don't know.
Bro, how did I miss that?
Why? If it just happened to me.
I guess you died for a little bit.
Oh, good job. Good job. Good job. Nice.
The best
Thanks.
way to live is
Good
to
job.
not,
Thanks.
to not fight.
I'll be taking this.
Do when I win.
Okay, I'm gonna eat.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna eat
Who's
double
watching?
bottle.
Oh my god. It was so loud. Can I get that? Can I get that?
I caught one.
Hey Dad, are you gonna ground me for breaking everything? Are you going to ground me? That hurt. Are you going to ground me, Dad, for breaking everything? That's like a freaking jump move from a Roblox horror game, buddy.
Alright.
Swing. Whoa. Bye.
You're the only one dead, buddy.
Oh, who said that? How did I not catch both of them? No, this I'm not even gonna look. Okay. There were like 10 times less than I thought.
Oh my god, bro, Galaxy.
Bro, that's it. Bro, when I eat a bottle, it goes like 10 billion times faster than me. Bro.
Oh my god, bro. How's my battery 37?
Battery
This
7?
game is so fun. I love it.
Mine is 2.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
No, how? No, he's cheating. He's cheating.
Who?
I'll let you on the thing. I'll let you get this wall.
You want to know something? I don't care. Okay, that was me. If that person ever sees this video, I'm sorry.
It's a hand so I can wear it.
You need to go into a
So I
modded
bought it.
lobby.
So I have this, I know. I have this,
For the
I have this, I have this.
But yeah, that's it for today. Oh my gosh. I thought there were people in my code. I was like, wait, there are actually people in my code? But that's it for today. I kind of got carried away with that stuff. I kind of forgot about the video, but I still like in the corner, man. That was Train Bomb, really fun. I might make a video about it. But if you want me to do Prom Hunt next, leave a like And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so that's it today. And by the way, if I make I'm gonna start making more Gorilla Tag content. Maybe get the finger painter. But that's it for today. And the outfit I figured out on the outfit I have on Gorilla Tag. I'm gonna check the comments on that video I made of Gorilla Tag that I said any cosmetic you choose, I'll put it on for my skin. But so far I have a frying pan. I'm only gonna have 2 cosmetics. 3 when I get the finger painter. But 2 cosmetics. If I ever do get the finger painter, it'll be free. But 2 cosmetics on. There's a frying pan and 1 more. So hopefully in the game I play, they might add me. Plus I'm coming for you, Big Scary. I'm gonna do multiple parts. I might do some color challenges I've seen on YouTube. I might just beat the entire game in over an hour. No, I'll beat the entire game over 1 minute. No, that'd be too. No, I can definitely not do that in 20 minutes. No. Well, goodbye. Have a nice day or night, whatever time it is for you. But bye. Go check out some other videos. My next video is gonna be about Plant. Don't worry. So you don't have to like, but please subscribe. I want to do live streams. Bye. Bye.